Looking to trade or transfer assets instantly at scale? Prime Trust Settlement is an API solution that allows you to move assets anytime, anywhere within the Prime Trust network, including fiat and digital assets. Settlement offers unilateral and bilateral transfers, enabling you or your customers to transfer and swap assets with anyone on the Prime Trust network. A proprietary ledger where trades take place off-chain, ensuring privacy and minimizing risk. An unmatched flexibility with over 200 digital assets and 6 fiat currencies supported by the API. So what makes Prime Trust Settlement stand out? If both sides have sufficient balances, bilateral settlements take place atomically, minimizing counterparty risk. And 24/7 365 coverage allows you to send and receive assets instantly, whenever, wherever. Try Prime Trust Settlement today and experience the future of trades and transfers. For more information, visit primetrust.com/products.